Morning sun wakes the trees, whispers float on cool breeze, crawling critters in the ground, nature's symphony all around. Foxes run through the glade, butterflies on parade, hopping frogs in lilies' grasp, feel the heartbeat nature has. Hear the whispers nature speaks, nature's beauty, love it seeks. Swim and fish in rivers deep, in these moments our hearts keep. Birds fly high in the sky, eagles soaring way up high, walking deer in forest green, such wonders we've all seen. Crickets chirp as night descends, whispers soft, the day ends. Fireflies light evening's glow, in nature's lullabies we know. Hear the whispers nature speaks, nature's beauty, love it seeks. Swim and fish in rivers deep, in these moments our hearts keep.